in my summer car, and just made a new game file. I thought I had one, but it looks like I don't. So this is gonna be pretty lit. I know how to build this car. Back in my mind, pretty much. This car is very easy to put together. Do have some mods installed. Grab the jack. Jack? Oh. Goddamn, I have to play this game already. Jack. 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 Grab the jack. I don't need a feather. Different. Grab the jack. Ah, there. Ah, I'm just retarded. Go. Jack. No, don't close the. Ah, you stupid door. Alright, let's get the suspension on this thing, and God damn it. Okay, do I have that one mod? Probably don't. Nope. Okay. So second in the mod with the jacks and stuff, but I don't think I have that installed. Why is all these parts have to crouch? What? Yeah? No? Maybe? Yeah, any day you think I could put the subwoofer in. There we go. Okay. Pick this up. Run over to the car. What? Bolt. This is size 10. So we got the 10 millimeter. Okay. Put the couch over there. Okay. That one installed. And get this last bolt in here. Okay. Get the I don't want the cheat box. Why did it give me this? How did you turn this off? Oh. Let's no. Alright. Okay, after figuring that crap out. Yes, I do have a cheat box, but I'm probably not going to use it in this video. I probably might. It's dumb. So, the right front, Y, the left front, and then the right front, and then the other spiral. This brake for you, this brake for you, and rod for you. You get it, spin rack, half shaft, half shaft. Oh, that pushed the car back. No. Use, hmm. Well, at least we have the submarine now on. Okay, that's on. You need to put the thank you of this mineral. Unit size 12. And take this mineral the other way. Oh no, I'm done. I'm smart. And you put this on. And then you grab the bolt, that's a size 14. Okay. And then you put, okay. Oh yeah, just keep moving the car back. That's fine. Why is the car moving? Stop! The slightest incline. This car moves. Okay, I just need the steering box now. That's fine. No, that's not fine. Oh gosh, sakes. Good enough. Okay, we do, no, I think it's a 10. I think it's a 10, right? Yeah. Okay, we need the spindle now. It's 12, yep. That one. Okay. And then we need the brakes. Brakes and hub assembly. Oh, patch, thank you. 9mm, I mean, yeah, we need the gun. No, we need the bolts onto this thing now. And, get that all ready, and then get the steam rack on. I should go steal the tractor and lift this car up. So that's sort of faster, and grab the press and then get drunk off his vodka, because why not? Okay, so now the 510. Oh. Okay. Don't go off now. Okay. Front suspension is together. Yippee! The Sepsimer is looking more like a. So let's go grab the present in the. Okay, thanks. Go grab the present, get $5,000 or $2,000 or $200, whatever. Oh, this is a band's not here. Grab present. Bring the present. Holiday present. So I should probably bring diesel jerry can with me just in case. Boom, boom. And throttle. Alright, so we're about the tractor now. So let's lift this car up. It's more easier to jack. Let's see. The shift. A lot of people don't do this because for reasons. Pick it up. So pick it up. Tea. Alright, after getting my car pretty much all damaged. Really? Yay, 700 bucks, I'm rich. Okay. The car is in the air. And the steering's kind of wonky. What's this thing here? But Okay. Oh, that's gonna break the windshield. Yep, that's okay. Look at that car. Sort of. Should probably make the car level. And that's fine. Let's get the back suspension on. I'm thirsty for some reason. Put that trailer on there. Drum brake. Drum brake shock turbo. And coil spring. What? I don't know. I will figure that out in the next video. Or actually I'll figure it out off camera, but so yeah, see you guys in the next video, whenever that be. Hopefully in the next video I can remember to fix the suspension. And see you guys in the next video.